What?
Fish on a tube.
Did you?
Yep, right now.
Awesome. Awesome.
Nothing huge, but
It's a fish. Under that, in that little tree thing, looked really good. All right, guys, welcome back to Dad Life Fishing Adventures. Today we are out on the White River. We're out kayak fishing, but today we have a companion, Greg from Hook Life, who just got on his first smallmouth bass, so we're excited about that. We are going to be working our way downstream on the yaks and seeing how we do. Hopefully we get on some big ones. Follow along and see what we do on the water. Ooh, good fish. Oh yeah. Hey, that's a good solid fish.
oh, just broke my line.
Did it? Oh man.
Just broke my
What were you throwing?
tube.
The tube?
Yep. Right up against the root
That's
ball.
nice fish. Nice fish.
GoPro, start recording.
All right, got one.
Yeah, buddy.
I don't know what I got. Rock bass.
Hey, skunk is out of the boat.
The skunk's out of the boat. New little jerkbait, caught fish on first little cast. There you go. Thank you, bud.
Got a little rocky.
Yep. Pretty fish. Just tie this on, put it out there. Boom, first cast. Let's keep going.
Fluke?
No, a smaller jerkbait.
Okay.
Oh, fish on. Yes. Right in the edge of the current.
Yeah, I just had a bite on the tube there.
Little smallie. Little smallmouth. We might have found ourselves a bait. Thanks, bud. Thanks for getting my bass skunk out of the boat. Even though the other one was called a rock bass. Though you're doing swimming my boat, aren't you? Come here. Thanks, bud. Oh, fish on. Come here, baby. What we got? Little smallmouth. Number 3 fish of the day. We can get a bigger one. That was a good shot. This stretch has some big isolated boulders. There's one right behind you.
Okay.
I had a bite near one of them. I didn't get it, but it might be a thing. Oh, fish on. I lost him. Dang it. Come back and hit it. Shoot. All right, here we go. Come here, baby. Whoa! Woohoo! That's what we're looking for today. Thank you, bud. Nice fish. It is 14. Nice fish. We'll take a 14 right now. For sure. Almost 18. Awesome. Good job.
Stupid tube in front of those tree roots right there.
Yeah.
Real soft pickup. Didn't even feel it. Just felt.
Really, just like
Felt pressure.
Oh. Solid fish. Nice one. Ooh, it's pretty. Look at those
beautiful.
colors coming out of that.
It's the prettiest one I've ever caught in Indiana.
Yeah.
And I was like, you know, all of my fish except for one have come on the stupid tube. Why am I gonna take off the tube?
Why am I not throwing the tube?
Just
Put the dang tube back on, right?
Just tied it back on.
Yeah.
Sorry.
No, you're good. Perfect. There we go. Okay. No, I
So
see.
you can fish it around wood.
Yeah. So really it's weedless.
Yep.
But you say you put the hook in?
You put the hook in, the hook point goes in,
Yep.
and the hook point comes out.
Comes out.
Comes out the body of the tube almost up to the head.
Okay.
And then you pull the hook all the way out, and then you rotate it so the lead, which is by the skirt, you rotate it so the lead is now up by the tip.
Okay.
And then the hook point goes through the back, through the front,
Mm-hmm.
and is kind of hanging out in the front.
I watched a fish come up underneath mine, and it's just they're like looking at it and looking at it and looking at it, like, oh, come on, eat it, dang it. It was back there in that fallen log.
Gotcha. He didn't even tug on the line.
He never
I saw the line moving.
never did. Just, and you're just basically kind of tight lining it.
What's that?
You're not really even moving it very much.
I'm just dragging it. I want to feel the tick, tick, tick of the bottom.
Yeah.
I'm trying to let it kind of move with the current a little bit. But yeah, I'm fishing it like a Ned rig, just slow drags. Once in a while I'll pop it.
Yeah.
And when you start, if you start to feel the bottom all the time, you get used to that.
That's what you want to feel.
When you stop feeling that,
Slow it. That's the fish. Oh, fish on. Didn't take long. Got one. First stupid tube fish, and I like it. Ain't that stupid? Catches fish. Sweet. Thank you, bud. Got one. Woohoo! Hey, rock bass eat them too. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this video of us fishing out on the White River. I know I did. Each time I get to fish with somebody from Indiana or from around the country, I learn a little bit something new from their perspective of how they look at the water, how they fish it. I came in with a perspective of what had worked in the past for me on that body of water, which was a jerkbait bite or some sort of soft plastic bite or a small jig bite. That day, because of the weather conditions and the time of year, it all had to do with the bass pointing down and tight to cover. Even though I was making the same cast to the same locations, they were still pointing down, eating down instead of eating up for a jerkbait. So that opened up this bait right here, the 2.75 inch X Zones tube, rigged stupid tube style. So that allows it to be completely weedless. You can bounce it right off of root balls, right off of big rocks, and never worry about it getting snagged up. And when the bite comes, boom, hooks out, fish is on. And just dragging it, feeling it, the way the tube works is it just bangs on those rocks and wakes those fish up. So that was the key. I learned all about the stupid tube from Greg. I'll be forever grateful for that, because that is a tool to get that tough bite from a kind of a hard day that I had fishing the jerkbait to a great day learning about the stupid tube. I was so grateful at the end of the day when we started catching fish on the stupid tube. My battery gave out and I didn't have any film, so I'm glad Greg caught the end when I got that nice 16-inch smallmouth. Actually caught a couple more right then, but bite turned on not because we got on them, but because we focused in on using the stupid tube and just nailed them, just picked apart the river as we went down it, which was just awesome. So with that, hey, I'm going to have the link to Greg's Hook Life YouTube channel in this description of the video. Please hit him up and subscribe to his channel. He's got some awesome stuff, an ever-growing channel, ever-growing content, and a lot of knowledge. Guy can really fish. You want to check him out. And we'd love to have you as subscribers of the channel. If you're new here, we've got a lot of new viewers on our videos, so we'd love to have you join us and subscribe to the channel. Drop us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Pound that like button. Help us out on the algorithm so we can reach more with the Dad Life Fishing Adventure family. We would love to go through this adventure with you. So with that, we'll see you next time out on the water. God bless.